Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Converting a PDF to a Word document on your phone is easier than ever, and I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. First, you'll need to download a reliable conversion app from your phone's App Store. Look for apps like Adobe Acrobat Reader, Microsoft Word, or specialized PDF conversion tools. Make sure to read the reviews and check that it supports PDF to Word conversions. Step 2. Once you've installed the app, open it and locate the PDF file you want to convert. You can do this by using your phone's file manager or by opening the app and selecting the file directly from your phone's storage. Step 3. Next, select the PDF file and look for a Convert or Export option within the app. Tap on it and choose Word or Docs as your desired output format. The app will then begin processing your document. Step 4. After the conversion is complete, review the converted file to ensure all formatting, text, and images transferred correctly. Sometimes complex PDFs may need minor adjustments in Word. Step 5. Finally, save your newly converted Word document to a location you can easily access, like your phone's document folder, or upload it to cloud storage such as Google Drive or OneDrive for backup and easy sharing across devices.